Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device by holding your power button and volume up at the same time. Let's try that again. There we go. And from the boot options, select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And let go of the power button once the device starts to turn on. So you will see Sony logo. You can let go of that power button. Keep holding volume down till we are redirected to the recovery mode, which is this page right here. Now, while we're in here, we will need to use volume buttons to navigate. So volume down will scroll down, and up, obviously up. While power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options, we have Reboot System Now, which brings us back to Android. We have a Reboot to Bootloader or Fast Boot Mode. We have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off. So anyway, I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it, and this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.